warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. My name is Aiman Haris bin Abu Hanifah from Kuliah 16, Group 32. My ticket number is 07806. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Adil Mibir Said Fadil. I'm from Kuliah 16 and I'm from Group BBI 32.
Hi, my name is Sarah Dalmi. I'm from Kuliah 16. I'm from Group 32. Thank you. My name is Nurul Atina binti Muhyiddin. I'm from Kuliah 16, Group 32.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Actually, I am holding this meeting this evening is to discuss a few suggestions from you guys that we can add it on into the National Week. So, do you know when National Week will be had?
Oh no, I don't know.
No. So actually National Week will be had in other 2 months, but I think that we could arrange some activities so that our National Week will become the grand event of the year. So, is there any one of you that have suggestion?
I have a suggestion. How about we have planting trees activities? Okay. Nowadays, people doesn't know the benefit of planting trees as they always busy. Okay. There are a lot of benefits of planting trees, such as to maintain our ecosystem. Okay. As example, they work as maintenance of water source and upgrade our soil quality. Tree also work as shades that they provide. They work as temperature control and also they prevent the direct sunlight that can lead to the skin cancer.
Yes, that's true.
They should know. They should know that tree also give a good environment for students to make their more relaxed. It has been shown that we surround
Can I jump first? That students nowadays can study in condition with nature?
Yes.
Okay,
Because it has been shown that spending our time around the trees and green space can reduce the amount of stress that the student carry out daily. Okay. Other than that, tree also give benefit. They also has environment benefits, which is they improve our air quality as they work as filters of our dust and pollutants such as carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Okay, they also provide a clean oxygen for us to breathe.
Okay, that is a great idea. Okay, but I also have my own ideas. Okay, I want to we all go visit to national park. Okay. Do you know that many of visitors like to go to our national park? About 8% of our land has been classified as a protected area. The protected areas include national park and state park. Okay. Today I want to give some information about one of the national park that I know, which is Kuala National Park. Kuala National Park is located at Pahang. Okay. It was the largest national park in Peninsular Malaysia. The headquarters of this park is across the river, which is the place that the visitors came to the park, enter the park there. Yes. Okay. the what we can see in this park is the birds, the variety of birds, the insect, and we can also enjoy the rainforest. Okay. In this park, there were a long rope walk, which is the longest rope walk in the world. Okay. The season for the suitable season to visit this park is from February until September.
Can I ask you a
Yeah.
question? So, so during February into March, is it right?
Yeah.
February to March is the best period to go into the.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. I see. So we could arrange our trip there during that time.
Yes. So the function of deposit that I said before is for we want to buy ticket to enter the park.
That's a great idea, Aiman. So later we could organize a trip there. But I still want to hear some ideas from Shahira. So how about you, Shahira?
In my opinion, we could organize the camping trip to the forest. As we know, Malaysia have a few famous reserve forests. Such as example is Endarompin. Do you know where Endarompin is? Fascinating about Endarompin is located between Johor and Pahang. As we know, at forest we can experience and see flora and fauna that we never see before. Such example, at Endarompin Reserve Forest, there is a plant named Livernosis endownosis that only can be found there. Also, at Endarompin, we have Malaysia best waterfall, which is Upeh Guling, Buaya Sangkut, and also have a Tasik Biru. At there, we also can see, you know what orang asli called?
So we could see the ethnic of
The
orang
ethnic,
asli.
We also can learn about them, how they live, how they eat. So that's all for me.
May I interrupt?
Yes.
I want to ask before this they have said that about the place. So I want to know that do you have you been there?
Yes, I have been there. That's so exciting and fun.
Beautiful. The place is so beautiful.
Yes, it's worth good.
So, Atira, after this you can make the proposal to go there? Can you?
Right. Of course I can.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, besides those three ideas, I also have my own opinion, which is we could practice the recycle program. Do you know that recycle program actually is a program to educate people on how to appreciate nature and environment. So, have you been into recycle before?
No.
Yes.
No.
You have, but both of you don't.
Yeah.
Okay, that pity of you. So after this, you could join the program. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Besides that, recycle also have two other things, which is reuse and reduce. In recycle, we have think and we turn it into something new. But in reduce, we have something just like polystyrene or plastic. Then we reduce the usage of them. But in reuse, we use the old thing into something new, which giving us beneficial, such as we use the tire as the pot for our plants. Okay. So, any one of you could give me one importance of recycle?
It can save the nation.
Yeah, is it true? That first, recycle proofly can save the nature. But instead of that, recycle also can educate people to be more disciplined. Okay, so I think that Shahira always go late for kuliah, is it right?
Yes.
So I think after this, after you practice recycle in your daily life, so you could go to the lecture hall early in the morning. Okay. So do you know how this can educate us? Actually, recycle can give us the beneficial values by they will actually lead us into the healthy environment, so that for us and also the colleges could be more disciplined and punctual in our lives.
Yes, I agree with you 100%.
Thank you. Okay, and then I think Atira could have add some more about the planting trees, such as the species or the place that we could plant them.
Okay, I suggest that we have the activities. We can plant the tree around our campus and in the garden. Also renew the plants that's getting old.
May I interrupt? I want to know, I want to ask you, how do this activity, your activity, can make the community together?
This activity can make the community together because these activities need students to working together as a community. Other than that, I think this activity can make the students more realize about the importance of nature and
So, as in conclusion, I could conclude that all the ideas that we mentioned earlier is very, very useful to be had into the Nature Week. So after this, I will ask three of you to representing your ideas into the MTL. Could you?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you for giving me some time and idea. So that I think that's all from this meeting. So do you have any last word?
I think that all of our ideas is good. So I hope that our idea can be represent to others.
Yes, that's true. So let's save our nature.
Yes.
Let's save our nature.